Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style. On the timeline, it will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. So as you see, guys, here today, after yesterday, that red one here, remember it, that red candle there, same today, it happened that green candle here. So the market, it stay where we left it yesterday, and we still have here that inside bar now, because the market now, it gave us here another inside bar. People, they've been with us, they remember down here we used to have another one, and that one we've been teaching you how to trade it. We are waiting the break to happen here or the market to break down here. So, and me, I'm still believing the market is going to make a correction before it going up. Maybe we're going to touch that 31,500 before we falling down. Maybe we're going to come here, we're touching that 31,500, then after that we're going to fall down. So I've been telling you guys, waiting that correction, and from down enter. Also we still waiting the correction to happen here. Then also we going to add then more to our positions, because till now we got here a very clear divergence here in the daily. I show it to you, I don't want to show it to you again. That way, me, I'm still believing there is a correction going to come. I can even show it to you. Let me show it to you. Look here. That way, me, I'm still believing there is a correction going to come, guys. I showed you that one before, but it's okay to show it to you again. As you see it, look here. The market, it give us here up, higher high. But here, in that indicator of us, it giving us lower low. So it's need the market to go up to break that last high here for us to know that one is just a market manipulation. Let's make it like that. But tell me, I'm still believing there is a correction going to come. Maybe we're going to enter here again. Then after that, we're going to go higher. So we need to wait and more what's going to come in the coming days. And for the people, they haven't entered with us from here, from 15K, after that correction came, try to buy with everything you have, because Bitcoin, it always do it like that. Market makers, they always do it like that. They pushing up to manipulate the market, and for people to think the market is going to go higher, and then they will buy, and then they will push it down to hit and stop lose. Me, I'm talking here about people they trading with margin. Then after that, they are going to push it up again. So us, we are going to use that in our favor, and the history telling you that. I don't want to go back in history, but that's what history telling us. So now us, we are here. Also, we enter from down here, and we enter from here, and we enter another from here. Now it's going to be the fourth one from here. Everything is too clear, guys. Now we're going to see the coming news for today. For pictures to get more clear to you, so it's going there. The coming news for today, as you see it, not the coming news for today, we got a very, very, very busy day today. I'm talking about Friday, 14th of April, 2023. We got a very, very busy day. As you see it, we got core retail sales and the retail sales of USA. That one is going to got a big impact to the market. So be careful, guys. Be careful about that one. So everything is look perfect now. Plus it's coming the earning for bankings. Even that one is going to got a big impact to the market. And here we got our friend, the table of us. Us we're looking at it every day. As you see it, everything is looking great today. As you see, US stocks, everything is looking perfect here. Everything is close the day green. That good news. Plus the VIX here. Also, we are below than 20. So for long-term investors, just those days, you are in a very, very, very nice discount for your stocks, for Bitcoin. Just say. That's my advice to you. Just say once a week, once a month. Try to buy as much as you can. No matter how much money you got, try to buy at those days. Everything is too clear, guys. Plus here, the dollar, look at it. It fell down below the 101. Also now we are 100. Even that one it's showing to us, everything is looking great. So guys, try to say. Everything is too clear here. Now it's going to the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, people, they've been with us. They remember we used to have here that channel, and we've been waiting for it to get broke for 3 weeks. It's getting broke here. We'll reach here now. I told you guys, try to protect yourself because yes, also we're making the target for that one. We said is going to be here at 31,500 here exactly. But I told you guys, try to protect yourself here. I'm going to tell you why I've been telling you guys, try to protect yourself here. Because now the market it gave us here a very clear wage here. Look at it, very clear wage here. And we couldn't break above here. That for the people they haven't entered, if it's breaking above here, enter long again. So till now it's showing to us as if it's going to give us here a double top here. Look at it here, as if it's going to give us here a double top. If it give us here a double top, that means that correction us we've been waiting is going to come. And for the long-term investors, after the finish of that correction, try to buy again. Me, I told you that correction, maybe we are going to fall down till here, till that level here, between 24 till 22. I'm talking between 24 to 22k here. So if the Bitcoin breaking here is going to fall down, and me, I'll show you everything here. We got now a very clear price action here, or that uptrend here. If it fall down and break it here, it's going to go to touch the lower of that channel we show you in yesterday video in the daily. So be careful, guys. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying. And to show you why me I'm still believing there is a correction going to come. So let's go in there. Our indicator, as you remember, when it touched here the overbought area, I told you guys, try to protect yourself. Look at it today. It came again. It touched it here. Look at it. But today it gave us something very, very, very important. You need to be focused about it. Look with me here. What we got here. We got now here a very clear divergence here. Look at it. Very clear divergence here. If you came to that one here and that one here where we are today, the market today it go back where it used to be before, but that one here down, it's showing it's not. So we got a divergence here. Me, I give you the price action. People, they enter long from that candle here, from that one here, try to protect yourself. From that one here, try to protect yourself. It's going to come a big pushing down. So guys, try to protect yourself. If you enter and if you using the margin and stop loss, try to protect yourself. Everything is too clear, guys. But now should you enter short? No, my friend, there is no entry short. Yes, also we got here that divergence and we got all those things, but not yet. It's need at least to come here to that place where is the bears they controlling. Also we still in a place where is the bulls they controlling. There is no bears in the market. It's only the bulls now. So I think everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, also we are here at the overbought area. So technically we need to looking for short. Should we enter short? No, there is no entry short. We need to wait in the price action to tell us that, because that one is the most important one, is the price action, guys. Price action, we got here that wage here. As you see, it's very clear wage here. It's need that one to come to break down here for us to enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry short. So now what should you do? Wait. That's it. That my advice to you is to wait. Because as I've been teaching you guys from the start of that channel, I'm teaching you passion is the key of success. If you want to be successful as a trader, you need to wait. You remember us, we've been waiting here for 3 weeks here in that level. When we get in broke here, we enter long now. Now we need to protect ourselves. Now we are in profit now. Yes or no? People, they been with us we enter from down here. We don't need to close nothing now, because till now we haven't got a price action telling us the market is going to reverse down. That way us we still waiting, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalpers and day traders. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. By the way, did you smash the like button? I know you don't. Please go ahead and smash in that like button, writing down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. So here in 30 minutes is only for scalpers and day traders. Remember that. Here in 30 minutes, the last video, as we said, we got here flag here. That flag here, look at it. As we said it like that before. We do it like that. And we said we got here a mega fall like that. It's getting broke here. I told you to enter short, yes or no? Me, I remember everything. Even if we're making a mistake, we said it. We said from here to enter short. Yes or no? And we said to put stop loss here. It go back, it hitting for us the stop loss. That's a part of the game, guys. Now, here at that level where we are, look what the market giving us here. It gave us here a very clear flag now here, guys. Very clear flag. Look at it. That one, if it's getting broke above here, that level here, that man is going to go more higher, guys. Man is going to go till 34k. What should we do now? Should we enter short? Should we enter long? No, my friend, there is no entry long, no entry short. The entry short, if it came down and breaking down here, we will enter short. If it's breaking above here, that level here, we are going to enter long, guys. How to make the take profit for that one? It's very simple. I've been teaching you that one before, but it's okay. You came here, you draw in here that flag like that, and down here like that, and you came, you bring that line here, and you do it like that, and here you do it like that. So the Bitcoin, if it's breaking above here in that level here, is going to go till 32K, guys. Also, we got a take profit here at 31,500 here. So if it's bring it for us, me, I'm talking here about 4 hours. It's very, very good. Here for scalping, if it's breaking above here, enter long. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator is showing to us here. Also, we are here at the overbought area. So technically, also we need to look in for short. For short, I've been showing you if it's breaking down here, that level here, enter short. Or the market to give you here a price action to enter short. Or you can even come here and draw in here an uptrend like that. And you waiting that uptrend to get broke if you want to enter just to here, that level here down. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. And please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. Support us, guys. You know that channel with how to can growing up. You done it. Thank you very, very, very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.